Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we will see how to remove cover page in Word. To start, open your Word document. You can see the cover created there. If you want to delete it, you must go to the Insert menu. Once here, click on the Cover option and then click on the Remove Current Cover Page option. You can see that the cover page has been removed from your document. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.